guys, let us understand few concepts about the data in the Tableau. So in Tableau there are few data concepts to be understood so that we can perform and analyze smooth charts accordingly. Dimensions versus measures. Dimensions and measures are already explained in the previous videos, but still let us understand what are the dimensions again. In dimensions we collect all the categorical data overall together, and in measures all the numerical values together or the numerical fields together. So dimensions are the qualitative data fields that describe the categorical aspects of your data. As I explained, the name column, department column will all come under the dimensions. Similarly, the salary, age, all the numerical columns will be categorized under the measures. This is the difference between the dimensions and measures. Next is discrete versus continuous. In discrete, you can see in Tableau all the discrete fields, when we drag into the rows or the column fields, then they are represented by the blue color of the pills. Similarly, the continuous data, when we drag into the column or the rows field, then they are represented by the blue colored pills. And yes, together we can combine them to get a good chart accordingly. We can drag continuous and discrete data in the column or rows accordingly and get a chart as per the requirement. Now let me take you to the measure names and measure values. What are the measure names? All the columns that are having numerical values or that can be aggregated like summation, count, etc. that come under the measure names. So these columns names will be coming under the measure names, and their respective values like summation or the aggregated values like count, etc. will be coming under the measure values. We can drag the measure names and values in the rows and columns to get a table or matrix accordingly as per the requirement. Let me take you to the next topic, data preparation basics. In this we are going to see data cleaning, how it is important. Before any analysis or even preparation of the chart in Tableau, the data is to be ensured that it is cleaned of all the errors, duplicates and the missing values. Second point, after that, organizing the data. Organizing the data includes sorting, grouping, etc. The next point comes as basic transformation techniques. Basic transformation techniques involves pivoting, joining and aggregating. These are three different methods through which we can do the data transformation so that they will suit to our needs of the chart preparation in Tableau. So let me summarize what we have done in this video. Dimensions versus measures, measure names and values, discrete and continuous, and lastly the data preparation.
To know more about Itvedant, visit our website